Okay guys, good day. This is our next activity. Insect trap. Insect trap. So this is made of bottle. You can see the structure of it. So see, the other is that three entrance. This is for our group. We have 5 members in each group. This is what a boiled vinegar from coconut vinegar. Why boiled? Because it is necessary to boil it to remove the alcohol content of this vinegar, or else it will not attract the insects if there is still a content of alcohol. That's why we boiled it. Then after boiling it, so we place it here. We divide it here in 5 bottle trap. Then we mix it with the FFJ. This is FFJ. This is what we call it, the fermented fruit juice made by our trainer Serja. Okay. So wait guys for this the result or outcome of this activity. Okay now guys, magsisimula na kami maglagayan. Oh, huwag masyadong okay. This is Hazen, lagay niya. Sige, tama na yan. Okay na yan. Lagay mo dyan, huwag masyadong go. Go. Then, or, do it with the other. Yan. That's nice one. Sige, tigil muna. Tigisa muna tayo na yun. Yan, okay. Hold. Sige lang.
Ayaw ko na lahat.
O, kanya-kanya lagay. Para, hindi. Sige lang. Ikaw na lang, ining. O, pwede rin. Kung gusto ni Hazen to experience it, ni AJ, ayos lang yan. Ikaw, Jay. Matapon ha. Okay, yan. Nice one. Sige. Yan. Come on.
Ito hindi natin haluan yan?
Diyan na. Pag nasa loob na, para ikakalugin na lang natin. Okay, yeah. Pag nagkasya na, bago saka tayo magdagdag, ubusin natin yan. Okay? Pila. Baka matumbaning ha. So, this is now, wow, 3 naman ito. Doon sa mababa mo ilagay. Tulungan mo doon sa kaldero.
Ayan na po yun.
Yun ako.
Bago wala. Marami pa eh.
Ayan, sige. Bupo mo na. Ito sa akin. Ay, dito ay mahirap ito. Yan.
Hindi yan sir.
Yan, that is my bottle, right? Maliit ang kanyang entrance. Okay, nice one. Sige, i-divide na yan. Kasi short na, i-divide na sa 4. Sa 5 ulit. Puro na. Okay. What is next? We are going to mix it with the FFJ or fermented fruit juice. So, isa. Dalawa. Talagang equally divided ay. Okay, so iubos mo na dyan sa dalawa na yan. Yan, lahat mo na dyan.
Dito ba? Sabi ito. Kailangan nito na nakita nila.
Siya, very good. Next one. So, bilangon ako. So, 2 cup nito yung kanyang cover cup niya.
Dito sir?
It's a bottle. Yes. Pwede na dun ilagay sa sintro. Ingat na lang. Oh. Sige, okay. So, ilagay na ning. Bago kanya-kanyang kalog na lang yan.
Lugin pa to sir?
Hindi na yan. Kanan. Pwede rin siguro. Konti lang. Okay na. Yan. Sige na yan. Okay. Shake it first. Okay, go. Okay, 2 yan. 2 ganyan daw bawat bottle. Sige. Be careful. Kahit kalahati lang yan. Ganyan lang. Bago dagdagan na lang natin. Yeah. Nice one. Sa pa. One more. Magdagdag ka na lang. Huwag masyadong punin. Okay. Yan. Nagdagan mo na lang konti. Para hindi naman para para eksakto rin siya. Yan. Okay na yan. Okay. Thank you. The other bottle din. Okay. Yan. This is mine, right? Sige, pwede rin dyan sa tabi. Sige, kung saan niya kan. Oh. Mas mabilis pa, no? Kahit puno ka, pwede punuin agad. Yan. Basta dalawa lang daw. Kung puno na, ay di, kailangan ako nagpadagdag gawa na hindi napupuno. Where's my cover, my cup? Cover. No, that's not mine. Tulong sa isa. See, tapos na tayo ng isang activity natin. Talas yung kape boy. Amoy na agad eh.
Nagkape siya, hindi man lang kami tinimplahan eh.
Sa'yo talaga to, Pres. Binigyan sa akin to ni Sister, ano? Sino nga yan?
Okay na yan. Okay, so that's good. That's enough.
Pasan pag ano ko buong tubig niya, kaya medyo mabulis siya.
Oh, the other one. Help. Tulungan mo doon naman. So, guys, tapos na kami for we almost finished for the next for this activity rather. Okay, so now we are waiting for the another assignment. Okay, thank you guys. See you until next activity. So thank you for the cooperation of West Group. Galing nga talaga. Okay, that's all. Nice one. Tingnan natin yung isa. Pakilinya nga doon. Okay na. Linya na. Okay, tingnan natin. Pakidikit na. So, here is our outcome. Okay, here's the outcome. This is insect trap with juice inside, which will attract the insect to get in with that plastic bottle. Okay, so that's good. Very good. Yeah, okay. Thank you, Isen. Thank you, AJ. And thank you, Hans. Okay, that's all.